Hi, Georgie. Let me just tell you what's going on. So, number one is the first time I saw you before any injection, pain was here, and then I had the band here going crazy to a point where I would just fall on the floor by myself, not being able to hold. The first injection has killed the band problem. When the first injection worn out, and you did me the second one, which was, on the nerve, it kept on releasing this. So they both had an effect. Both of those injections had an effect on that. The nerve ablation just kept on doing whatever the second injection provided in terms of release here, because it was still also playing with the nerve. Yesterday, when I got injected on the peridural, right after there was no pain because there was the anesthesia. I go home 45 minutes later, and the pain, instead of being here, just moved lateral here.